Hey there, fellow streamers. Welcome to the channel dedicated to helping you supercharge your Firestick. In today's video, we're going to be installing one of the best apps out there for all your premium IPTV content. IPTV Smarters Pro. So, grab your remote and follow the guide, and remember you can always pause the video at any time if things are going too fast. First, we're going to head to the home screen of your device and make our way across to the search icon. In the search bar, start typing the word downloader, and after a couple of letters, it should appear at the top of the list, so go ahead and click on it. Click on the icon, you can't miss it, it's the big orange one with downloader written on it. While that's downloading, if I could ask that you hit that like and subscribe button, it only takes 2 seconds, but helps out the channel massively. Before we open up Downloader, we need to enable some hidden settings to make it work. So hit the Home button, make your way across to Settings, and then down to the My Fire TV icon. By default, the developer options are hidden. Just enter the About section and tap on the device name 7 times. Hit the back button and you should now see they have been enabled. Once inside, go ahead and click Install Unknown Apps. You can now go ahead and switch the toggle to On for Downloader. Now press Home and make your way to your newly installed Downloader app. Once you're inside, head to the search bar and start typing in this code exactly as you see me type it out on the screen. Remember, just hit pause if you need a little more time. Now hit the Go button and wait a second for the app to download. Just hit the Install button after it finishes downloading and that's it. Load in the files or log into the services you were provided and start enjoying your content. Check out our other videos to find the best apps to access all the free content you could ever need.